Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to withdraw from Uniswap quickly and easy. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows you to trade tokens, but it doesn't store or hold funds like a traditional exchange. Instead, your crypto stays in your connected wallet, so to withdraw your money you need to transfer it from your wallet to a different address such as centralized exchange or another wallet. For that, uh, so I don't have any account in Uniswap, or neither I have any currency in Uniswap, but I will give you steps so you can follow them and you can just withdraw your money. First of all, you have to open your Uniswap. First, go to the Uniswap website and connect your crypto wallet. Click on your wallet address at the top right corner. Here you will see your Ethereum and whatever you have, hold it. So the next second step is to understand Uniswap function. First, if you click on your funds, you won't see a withdrawal button. This is because Uniswap is only used for trading tokens, not storing or withdrawing them. Now, third step is to go to your Connect wallet. The funds are in the wallet used to trade on Uniswap. Open your crypto wallet. For this example, you will see Ruby wallet. Inside the wallet, you will see all your assets, including Ethereum and tokens, whatever you hold. Now, in the fourth step, send funds to another address. Look for the send button in your wallet, click on it and enter the destination address, your exchange wallet or another crypto wallet. Specify the amount of whatever you have right now you want to withdraw. For example, if you want to withdraw Ethereum, you have to uh, specify the Ethereum. Now, here you Now in the fifth step, you have to enter the destination address. Now you choose where you want to send the fund, like centralized exchange or Binance or your bank link crypto wallet. Copy the correct deposit address now from the receiver platform and paste it here. Now in the sixth step, you have to select amount and confirm. Enter the amount of Ethereum or token you want to withdraw. Double check all the details to avoid mistake. Now click the confirm and send the to process to withdrawal. In the seventh step, wait for your transaction confirmation. This step take little bit time because it's processed on the blockchain. So you can track the status using the transaction hash txt on your Etherscan. Once confirmed, the funds will arrive in your destination wallet. If you found this video helpful, then thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.